Sup, kid too technical. I'm back again with another video. Today I want to show you how to use Google Translate on my Google Pixel 6 Pro. So if you have a Google Pixel 6 Pro or a Pixel in general, this should work. So pretty much all you would want to do, I'm going to go to Google and then I'm going to go to search, and as you can see down here, this button here, I don't know how well you can see that, but this here, you want to click on it, and as you can see, it brought up some things that you can do. So I can either translate to English to French or to French to English. So I speak English. Say I want to look up something in French, so I'm just gonna say okay, where? And then once you do that, all you would have to do is just hit the check mark, and it typed it in their language at the top. As you can see, it still says okay, but it says OU. I guess that's okay where in French. We can also change it to another language. So let's say Arabic. You know, say you're going to Arabic or something and you want to learn their language. So let's just put home in my language. It's Arabic in their language, which would be that there. So pretty much you can just use this for all different kind of languages. This is actually a cool, neat little app to have, especially for me, because my job that I work at, there are a lot of Hispanic people, so that can help me translate with them if I need to. If it's something I don't know that they're trying to say and they really need to tell me something, you know, I can pull out my Google Pixel if I, have a chance to, and I can just type something into my language, or I can type it in and they can tell me how to spell it in their language, and then I can type it in their language, and then it'll spell it out to me in my language. That way I'll know what they're saying. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video.